we're going to top off the coolant in this car. Get yourself a dirty funnel, paper towel, and some coolant, whatever spec you need. Okay, so we're here with the Impreza. We're going to fill up some coolant to keep this little hot boy FB20 or FB25 cool. You know, when you run it hot, you want the maximum amount of cooling. You want to manage your thermal waste. So we're going to just use some generic Valvoline Asian vehicle. I love how they say Asian vehicle. It's an Asian vehicle. It's from Japan. Designed in Japan, right? And now we're going to add some coolant. So what is this stuff? Antifreeze, coolant. It's the stuff that makes your engine cool. It runs through the radiator and through various regions of your engine block, and it acts as a heat exchanger. Instead of like an air-cooled thing, it's a water heat exchanger. So this stuff's really important to keep your engine cool, especially if you like to drive your car and enjoy it. Alright, so I just filled it up, but I did spill some down there, so don't be a jerk and spill it everywhere. Supposedly, coolant on a track is a no-no, so they have you fill it up with different types of things, like water, right? This coolant is basically antifreeze if you're, from the old school. They just call it antifreeze. But it's the coolant. It's the thing the liquid that cools your engine, because there's oil and coolant, and they run in different parts of the engine, and basically it just handles the thermal. You can think of it as like oil is handling the internal moving parts, lubrication and cooling of the engine, but then also there's these other paths and channels in the engine block that remove that excess heat, and that's the coolant that runs into the radiator in the front, right? They're heat exchangers, basically. Liquid heat exchangers. So you got to keep these things topped off. Oh, I did want to say that the engine has been off for the entire night, and so I came out this morning and I saw that the coolant was low. I suspect after I filled it up just a little bit that when the car is hot, that actually might go into the overflow section. So I'm gonna start the car and see how high the coolant goes. A lot of people like to do this stuff. It's fun, right? I don't know. I guess everyone has their own ideas of what a build is, and enjoy your hobby. It's an extension of who you are. I guess that's what they say, right? Your car and like how you express yourself. So I always think of it as sort of like if you were some sort of cartoon or anime character, right? Like the main protagonist in a story. How would they depict you? Like rolling up on a horse or something, or like in a car, and then like what kind of car do they drive, right? Like, that scene where the wheels like drive by, it's like a close-up type view, and then the door opens, and then the foot steps out, and like, what are you wearing? Like high heels, right? So paint a picture of what you are and what you do with your car, and I think it'll be fun. Alright, so that was about 3 minutes of just startup. And the radiator hasn't kicked in yet, so I guess I won't know until I start driving the car if I overfilled it or not. I don't think I did. It doesn't really matter. If it overflows, it overflows. It's just extra coolant. But yeah, keep it at least in that in-between mark, right? Because if you don't, and your engine runs out of coolant and you're, giving her the beans, your engine's going to seize. The oil's going to get too hot, and then you're going to go bye-bye, right? So, regular maintenance. This one's an easy one. There's no, time frame that you usually check, or at least I don't know of one, but yeah, just periodically look in your engine bay and see if some of those fluid levels are low. Like, for instance, now that I'm here and my engine bay is open, I'm going to take a look at my brake fluid level. Yeah, and that one seems pretty good, right? So, windshield wiper fluid, that's the one that I go in here for the most. I like to spray. I'm like a clean my windows, just spray. All right, so to just summarize, I added some fluid when the car was cold. It was like totally empty, this overflow tank. I added it to about halfway between those two middle markers. And now that the car has been fully cycled and went for a little drive to pick up some stuff, you can see that the overflow coolant is just above the full, which is just fine because this whole coolant tank is meant to handle extra, right? So I overfilled it by a little bit, but now this little bit of preventative maintenance will keep my engine cool. That's it. I think our daily maintenance has been completed. Ta-ta for now.